If you want to change playbook in the franchise mode in Madden NFL 26, first of all, in the home section, we can go to manage team, and then we can proceed to team schemes. And over here, you should be able to change your offensive scheme and defensive scheme as well as the playbook. So here we can choose whichever we prefer to use. Now, there is a chance that if you have a custom playbook, it will not be accessible over here. So in that case, what you can also do is you can go to the season game, and I'm gonna start a full game actually. And in this case, before you proceed, you can go to advanced settings, and then you can choose your playbooks over here. And in this section, you should be able to find your custom playbooks, and this also helps you fix issues with playbooks as well. So for example, if you change playbooks in the manage teams menu, but it doesn't work, then most likely you actually have to change it over here to make it work. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.